you remember a while ago, I did the old Marlboro Mindy J stickers that actually sold really well. I think I sold something like 500 or 600 of those things. We have some new stickers. It's been a while, and these are actually really cool, and I haven't even opened them yet. I've only seen sort of photos of these, so we will see these for the first time together. And if you want any of these, I'm doing them for $7 each posted, or $13 for two, and then blah blah from there. So if you want any, contact me on Instagram, Facebook, wherever else you have me on social media, and I can send them straight out to you. So as you can see, they are obviously of the VR Senator, and the font of the writing, if you notice, is the Commodore badge on the back of the VN, just to pay a bit of a homage to the VN, and obviously the HSV logo on the end. So again, if you want any of these, let me know. They're decent size as well. Message me and I'll send some out. So it's my RDO. It's a really nice day outside, as you can see. And I thought, you know what I haven't found on the Senator that I found on the VN, and I hear a lot of people finding their cars now, is the build sheet under the carpet. Now on the VN, I can't remember where it was, whether it was driver or passenger side, but that was still in the car. And look, this car being so original and untouched, I'm pretty confident that it's gonna be in here. So I'm gonna pull this seat out, and I'm gonna see if we can find this damn build sheet. So all it is the 4 Allen head bolts on the seat. Rip this strip out, pull the sill trim off, maybe the kick panel, and pull the carpet up, and hopefully, crossing my fingers that it is there, because it's just a really, really cool thing to have, and it's like an Easter egg hunt when you get one of these cars. Ba-bow. So definitely nothing on this side, not even under the sound deadening, which, by the way, is this a Senator thing? This big rubber mat goes all the way down, up under here, up under the console. I'm assuming it's a Senator thing because they were supposed to be the luxury, you know, nice one, but let me know down below. I'm gonna pull the other side out. If it's not there, then I'm actually flabbergasted that my LS swapped VN still had it and this completely stock HSV doesn't. I'll be very, very surprised and pretty disappointed, to be honest. Shit, I was like 100% sure it was going to be in here. Is there anywhere else I should be looking? It's always been on the floor from what I read and from personal experience, but definitely not there, unfortunately. The only good thing to come out of this now is stuff I didn't see earlier for me to clean. So let's get to that. All right, so every possible stain that I can come across, no matter how big or small, is now gone. Whether it's on the seats, door trims, carpet, console, wherever, it's all gone, fresh and clean. Smells amazing in here. I'm still spewing about that build sheet, but oh well, it is what it is. Oh my god, my back, and it's bloody hot today, but it's clean. I've been meaning to do that for ages. And can we just take a minute to appreciate the Devonish front seats, which I've got to say, I reckon are some of the best early Commodore seats in existence. Actually, best Commodore seats in general. Way better than Coulson's, and I don't know, I can't think of anything else that looks as good as these out of any Commodore, no matter what year it is. And I actually noticed that one of the flaps underneath has come loose, so I need to fix that before I put it all back together. The elastic is actually not elasticking anymore, so I'm gonna have to sort of pull it tight and just tie it on itself so that this doesn't hang down from behind. So I'm gonna put this all back together and just bask in the ambience of a bloody clean HSV interior. Oh, I am bloody wrecked. The sun came out, and of course I got the car right in the sun in the driveway, but all back together. Not that it looks any different than it did before, but trust me, it's cleaner. It's crazy. You think look, I've said this a million times before, but you think your car's clean until you actually pull it apart and start really cleaning it, and you see how dirty it actually is. But all ready to go straight back in the garage and not move, to be honest. Anyway, sorry about the lack of videos. I'm getting my absolute ass kicked at work with hours, and I just have not had time. Please grab a sticker if you want one. It'll help massively. Anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. It's a lot of cleaning stuff, which I actually really enjoy. Things coming up for this car. I need to do a trans service, like filter, oil, everything. And I probably want to have a go at trying to fix these rear quarter trim molds that seem to go on every single VR VS. This side's worse. There's a lot of posts on Facebook about how people have gone about it, and it doesn't seem too bad, and of course I'd rather do it myself than pay someone else to do it, so that might be coming up in the near future. If anyone has any tips for either of those jobs that I need to do, feel free to post them down below. But that's it for this one. I will see you guys whenever the next video may be. I really need to get out to some car meets. I want to drive this thing and enjoy it with my family. See you guys.